In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively post Amazon affiliate links. Whether you're a seasoned online marketer or just starting out in affiliate marketing, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're equipped to earn commissions through Amazon's affiliate program. Firstly, let's start with the foundation, creating your Amazon Associate account. This is a crucial step because without this account, you won't be able to generate any affiliate links. Head over to the Amazon Associate page, and there you'll find the option to sign up. The process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your personal information, which includes your name and address along with your website or app information, if you have one. This helps Amazon understand where you plan to share your links. Next, pay careful attention to the section where you provide your banking credentials. This is necessary because it determines how you'll be paid. Amazon offers several payment options, such as direct deposit, check, or Amazon gift card. Choose the one that suits you best. Remember, accuracy is key here to avoid any unwanted payment delays. Once you've completed the sign-up process and Amazon has approved your application, you're ready to generate your affiliate links. This part is exciting as it directly connects the product recommendations you make with potential earnings. On any Amazon product page, look for the Amazon Associates site stripe at the top. This tool allows you to generate text links, image links, or even text and image links combined. Choose what works best for your platform, and with just a few clicks, you'll have your custom affiliate link ready. Speaking of platforms, let's move on to where you can share these links. An effective strategy is to incorporate them into your blog posts. If you're discussing products or services, naturally place affiliate links within the content where relevant, enhancing the reader's purchasing decision. Similarly, social media is a powerful space for sharing your affiliate links. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter offer diverse ways to share links, whether through direct posts or in comments with context about the benefits of the product. Then there's YouTube, a fantastic platform if you're creating video content. You can include your affiliate links in the video descriptions, helping your audience easily access the products you recommend. It's vital to always keep Amazon's policies in mind. Ensure you comply with their guidelines by clearly disclosing your affiliate relationship whenever you share a link. Transparency builds trust with your audience and keeps your marketing efforts honest and legitimate. Additionally, familiarize yourself with marketing regulations applicable in your region to maintain compliance and protect your business. By following these steps attentively and maintaining respect for Amazon's terms and conditions, you can be on your way to successfully sharing Amazon affiliate links and potentially earning attractive commissions. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy linking!